18-mile stretch of river, going through beautiful canyons and seeing beautiful scenery without really too many people. And the Kenai Peninsula, especially the eastern side here where Cooper Landing's located, is right here along the rivers, green trees, big mountains, snow, you know, right in the heart of it all. After 12 years, I kind of dial it down to what works, and you know, I go with it and I'm confident in it. And it's more about, you know, extending myself to my clients and as like an educator and really getting their mind wrapped around what we're doing. And once people get the sense of that and understand why we're doing what we're doing, I think the catch rates go up. Even on the busiest day of the season fishing-wise, you know, I'm able to show clients a Kenai like they've never seen before. A river that, you know, where you feel like you could be just about anywhere in Alaska. Kind of what I feel like Alaska is, right here in the Kenai.